Hello and welcome back to eCabinets Tips and Tricks. My name is Scott Marshburn. Today I would like to demonstrate a quick little program that I wrote that uses Excel in conjunction with eCabinets to adjust partitions in the cabinet. So with that being said, this is just an overview demonstrating how the program works. In the next few videos I'll be taking you step by step on how to create your own program like this, so be sure to keep checking back and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates on this and other videos that I post. So let's get started with this. What I have here is just the upper cabinet, 2 opening, has a center style, currently it has 0 scribe on each end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a scribe on this side and a scribe on this side. I'm going to put a 1/16 on the left here and a 1/4 on the right. So I'm going to go into my settings and preferences. I'm going to go to face frames, and on the left style I'm going to put 1/16, and on my right style I'm going to put 1/4. I'm going to hit enter and OK. So as you can see, it applied the scribes to my cabinet here. Now, when I go into partition editor, shelf and partition editor, and I click on this opening and I click add a partition, it puts the partition in the center of the carcass opening, I guess you would call it. It's equalized. The width is 16 3/4 and 16 3/4, but this partition is not centered on this center style, and I want it centered on this center style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up my little program here. Currently I have it in my personal workbook, but I'll be showing you how you can put it in a standard workbook. I'm going to click on my minimize button here, and what this does is it minimizes Excel so that I can work with it and still see what I'm doing in eCabinets. Now if you're using Excel 2010 or 2013, and any version of Excel really, when you click you see it disappears, but down here at the bottom in 2010 and 2013 you could simply just click on your Excel icon right here and it'll bring it right back up. Another way to work with this without having to do that is you can minimize eCabinets, and as you can see I have it positioned here so that I can still see my Excel workbook here. So if I click on here, I can just simply click right there. So let's get started with this. Currently you see, if you look up here on the formula bar, there are absolutely no formulas whatsoever. What I want to do is I want to align this partition to the center of this style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working with this opening right here. First thing I need to do is find out my frame opening width. So I'm going to go to face frames, and I'm going to click on this opening, and it's saying it's 15 inches. I'm going to highlight 15 without the little quotes there, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click copy. Now I'm going to come over here to my workbook, and it's asking for the face frame opening, so I'm going to click in here and right click and click paste. So it's got 15 right here. Okay, my scribe, I know I have 1/16 of an inch right there, so I'm going to just type in 1/16. And my end thickness, I know that I'm using 23/32 material, so I'm going to type that in. And my style width, I know that this style is 2 inches, so I'm going to type in 2. And my mid style width is also 2 inches. Okay, now part thick here. That's the partition thickness. I know that it is 23/32, so I'm going to type that. Now, my partition opening. This is the result that we're looking for. This one will show in fractions, and this one will show in decimals. So I'm in my face frame opening right now, so let's go back to partition editor, and I'm going to click on this left opening here. And now what I want to do is I want to click on this button right here that says align center. It's going to tell me what I need to enter right here to align this partition on the center of this style. So I'm going to click align center. As you can see, it put the formulas that I need in here automatically to come up with the part with this opening right here, which is 16 and 55/64. Now I'm set up in inches and fractions, so I might get an error if I put that figure in there. So I'm going to use my decimal here. I'm going to click on that cell. I'm going to right click, click copy, and come over here to opening width. I'm going to adjust it to the right. I'm going to highlight this whole number here, including the inch symbol or the quotes there. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click paste. Now I can hit enter, and as you can see, it moved it to the center. So if I maximize this and go back into main and realize now that I'm working with inches and fractions, so this is not going to be dead on perfect. It's going to be within a 32nd. If you're dealing with inches and decimals, then it should be centered. Hide the top, and I can zoom in here. Double click on my cabinet, go to my tape measure, on the dimension ruler here, and click on U, and come on now, there. If you look at the X direction, you see that it says 5/8. Now if I rotate it around this way a little bit and click on this one, give it a few seconds to take hold. Now you see that it says -5/8. So we're in the center, and that is good. So that's how that little program works. Stay tuned. Keep checking back, and I'll be posting some videos on how you can write your own program like this. It's actually very easy. It doesn't take a whole lot of programming knowledge to do. So stay tuned, keep checking back, subscribe to my channel, and always, if you have any questions, post your questions. If you have any videos that you would like to see, if there's any way that I can help you, I'll be more than glad to come up with a video. Thank you again for watching, and have a good day.